Hello world. So let's start VS Code installation. Okay. For this reason, what I need to do is first let's go to the documentation. Simply go to the documentation because that has the official information about the current processes, specially related to installation or usage of the particular framework or of the software. Okay, and we need to go to documentation and go through it because latest updates might contain different things than previous tutorials. So you can see here the time. This is December 5 2024. Okay, so let's do the installation. First let's go to official documentation. So the first thing first, VS Code installation. Okay, so you can see download VS Code. Now as you can see, this is Ubuntu and this is Ubuntu 22. Okay, 22.04. So for this reason I need to use this Debian. You can see here Debian dev Ubuntu. Okay, so I am clicking here. Now you can see here all this documentation. So getting started, set up visual code, getting started, code first API. Okay, that's okay. So set up visual code. Okay, so hopefully you have seen that. Okay, it has already downloaded. Means whenever I have downloaded that one, I mean I have clicked the download part, so it has started the downloading. Okay, so so far we did not require the terminal, like installing sudo apt-get install code or etc. I can also use terminal to install that. Especially I think the code classic is required for that. Okay, so let's open it. So I am using software install and let's open. So it is going to install. Okay, so let's install. Now I have to give my password. Yes, it is saying potentially unsafe because it is provided by a third party, and that's quite, this message is quite default for any most of the third party, I guess, third party applications. Okay, so you can see I can also delete from here. So code editing, redefine. So it has been installed. So I am closing this one, and here you can see the VS Code has been installed. So let's open it. Okay, so the VS Code interface has opened. So here you can select a folder, any folder, but what I generally practice is first go to the file folder system and let's create a let's create a new folder, code installation. Okay, so the folder name is code installation, and within this I shall do whatever I create a project. Okay, in VS Code. So let's open it with terminal, and here the terminal has opened, and let's now to open VS Code within this particular folder, so that in the VS Code we can see the particular current file folder structure. I need to write code I need to use this command, code space dot. Okay, dot means in this folder. If I write this one, so this will open the documents folder. This will go into the document folder. In the file folder structure you can see this code installations also. For example, I am opening first this one. So here you can see this code installation has been done. Yes, I trust the authors. So let's open it. Suppose let's create a new file, hello.txt. okay, I love you. Okay, so one more thing, I am enabling the autosave. So in this way, whenever you make a change within a particular file, this VS Code will automatically save it, automatically update the content within the particular file folder structure. Okay, so let's close it, and then let's see which are the folder, which are the files you can see here. Now suppose I write this one, this will open the document. So you can see here I am currently under the documents, and within the documents folder there is the code installation and hello.txt. Now suppose I create another folder, mkdir, suppose Flask, simple. Okay, so here you can see this folder is there, so only the number of folder. Okay, sorry, this is a wrong one. Whatever, you can see the folders. So here you can see the Flask. Okay, now why it is within the code installation? Because I am currently within this. Now suppose if I get out of it, and now let's create mkdir Flask. Okay, so in VS Code you can see another Flask folder is there within the document folder, but outside of this code installation. Okay, so these are simple things that you can do with VS Code. These are much basic, and this video is about the installation, and we have installed successfully this VS Code, and thank you.